Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Sudipta here. Today I will show you how to open Chrome in incognito mode in Mac. Um, this will be a quick video, and I will also let you know how to what are the different ways you can open a Chrome in incognito mode, and also what is the benefit of using Chrome in incognito mode. So those two topics I will be discussing today. So let's get started. So I already have installed Chrome in my Mac, so you can see the icon over here. Now in order to open it in incognito mode, what you have to do is just right click on that icon, and you will see one option which is new incognito window. So once you click on that option, you will see that your Chrome is opened in incognito mode. So let me click it. So this is what the Chrome in incognito mode. If I open Chrome in regular mode, let me open that just to get a idea. Okay, let me just new window. Yeah. Okay, so you have, so these are the two uh, options we have, right? So this is incognito mode, which is dark color, and the normal mode is anyway is white background. So this is how you would know whether you are in incognito mode or in some other mode. So there is another way through which you can open incognito mode, and for that you just need to click on this dot dot dot. You see it in the extreme right top corner. So click on that, and you will see another option there for opening incognito window. So, and also the shortcut for opening it. So there are two options now. One is just click on dot 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 and you will see the option, or you can just press command shift and the letter N, command shift N. So in both way, let me just click and type in command shift N. Okay, so you see one more incognito mode window has been opened, right? So now I have three window. One I open from here, and the other one I open by pressing command shift and the capital letter N. So now what is incognito mode? What are features it has? So incognito mode, you basically is a private mode for you to use Chrome. Okay, so if you just check this portion in the center, you will see. Let me just open zoom it. Okay, so Chrome won't save following information, right? Your browsing history. So if you are using in incognito mode, your browsing history will not be saved by Chrome. Cookies, site data. So basically no cookies. If you are purchasing something in amazon.com or Flipkart or any other site, your cookies will not be stored if you are using incognito mode. So whatever data you are filling up, like your credit card details or any personal address details or any PII details, those details will not be saved in the browser. So that is a great feature, right? You will be in a way save, and also any information entered in the form. So autofill option will not be there. So if you are buying something, or you are buying something for someone else, and you don't want to let that know by anyone, you can use it, right? So that is one great feature, three great features basically for using incognito mode. And another thing that I want you guys to notice is that there are some activities which will be visible, right? Your activity might still be visible to the websites that you visit. So if you are visiting any other websites, third party websites, like any website, any government website or any other website, those websites will be able to see that you have visited their website, like, because it is on their end, so they will be able to know that you have visited your employer or school. So suppose you are in your school or you are in your office and you are using incognito mode Chrome. In that case, your office IT department will be able to know, or the school department will be able to know what all site you are visiting through Chrome, even if it is incognito mode. So that restrictions is there. Like in that case, if you're in office or a school, you will be able to those details will be visible for to the authority, and also your ISP. So your internet service provider. So whatever ISP you have, so they will be able to know what all sites you are visiting, right? Everything, every site that you are visit in incognito mode, they will be able to know it. So these are the features that we that currently incognito mode has, and I think is great to be in private mode sometimes. So that's all I wanted to share. It's just a small video and it's very basic thing, but many of you might be it will be helpful for many of you. That is what I feel. So okay, so if you like this video, please like it and thumbs up, and please share it with the other friends, and please do subscribe my channel. It will really be helpful to me. Thank you, thanks a lot. Bye bye.